Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to turn off colour tint on apps on your iPhone. Now, this will only have happened if you're on iOS 18 or later. All you need to do is get to the edit page of your home screen. You can do this by pressing and holding on any app and then selecting Edit Home Screen. Everything will start to jiggle like that, or you can press anywhere in a blank space on your home screen and you'll achieve the same outcome. Whichever way you get there, press Edit in the top left hand corner when everything starts to jiggle. Then you want to select Customize and you'll see you're actually on a tint. You can change the colour if you wish. However, if you want to take it off, you can either choose light here and everything will go back to normal, or dark or automatic. This is entirely up to you. Once you've done that, press away from it and you'll have taken off the colour tint on your apps on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.